Hey everyone, welcome to your videos on sets in Python. We're going to be talking about the difference and symmetric difference. So the difference is similar to, the difference in math, where you subtract data. So we're going to start with my set here, my favorite colors, and we're going to subtract her favorite colors. So what we should be left with are only colors I like. So this is what it might look like. Only me, and assign this my fave minus her fave. And what we'll do is we'll just print only me and print this, and we get red and black. So red and black are the colors I like, but she does not like. We could, of course, reverse this. So we would say only her. We would subtract me from her. So her favorite minus my favorite. And then just print only her favorite colors. And in that situation, we should get orange because I don't like orange and she does like orange. Now do keep in mind, this is mostly just for example, so no feelings of these colors were hurt in the process of making these videos. We're just going through some different colors here. So to visualize this, it's going to be all of the data in this circle that is not included in the blue circle. So only this data here. Now the symmetric difference is the next thing we're going to talk about, and the way this works, it's a little bit weird, but we're going to take only her colors and add those with only my colors. So let's create both of those. Only mine would be my favorites minus her favorites. And then what you can do is do a union on these, only her with only mine. And the result here is orange, black, and red. So visually, that's going to be this data here in the green and this data over here in the blue, but nothing where we share. Now there's actually an operator to do this. So what that's going to look like, we'll just call it symmetric. What we would do is say my fave, the capital 6 caret looking thingamajig, with her fave. And then we'll print symmetric. Run this and we get the same exact thing, black, orange, and red. So however you prefer to do it, and just like in the previous video, I mentioned there are methods for this as well. So my fave dot, and then there is difference and symmetric difference. So yeah, there you go guys. That is your introduction to union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. And that's all I'm going to be talking about with set operations. Stay tuned for the next video where we're going to review everything we've talked about for dictionaries and sets before we move on to the next section. Please be sure to subscribe if you've enjoyed the content, as it really helps out this channel and my self-confidence. So please do it. All right, bye.